If you have some file with blurry font image, how to fix that? Follow this tutorial, and you may get quickly clear text in seconds. I will introduce you 2 methods to try. If your PDF file contain a blurry image like this, copy this image and save. Here comes to HitPaw FotorPea. It's a powerful app for enhancing anything, and I have put the link in the description. Drop the blurry text image here. The app would automatically select the proper AI model for you. But for blurry text image, I recommend upscale mode and denoise model. Click on preview, and here is the magic. With only seconds, the blurry text is successfully fixed. It's now looking clear and sharp, easy to read. Besides that, you can add more images to upscale altogether. Lastly, export and save it in your device. The second method is using ChatGPT to make this image more clearer or extract the text from the image. It's very easy. Upload your blurry text image, then ask ChatGPT to enhance it. ChatGPT will generate a new text image based on the blurry one, but sometimes the page layout might look a little messy. Next, you can ask ChatGPT to extract the text instead. This is much faster than the first method and saves you a lot of time. Apart from accuracy, extracting the text makes it much easier to read and edit. So that's the tutorial for this video. If it helps, please don't forget like and subscribe our channel for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next one.